Hi, and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training, we will learn about Page Visibility API using JavaScript. The Page Visibility API provides events you can watch for to know when a document becomes visible or hidden, as well as features to look at the current visibility state of the page. Note that the Page Visibility API is especially useful for saving resources and improving performance by letting a page avoid performing unnecessary tasks when the document isn't available. When the user minimizes the window or switches to another tab, the API sends a visibility change event to let listeners know the state of the page has changed. You can detect the event and perform some actions or behave differently. For example, if your web app is playing a video, it can pause the video when the user puts the tab into the background and resume playback when the user returns to the tab. The user doesn't lose any of their place in the video. The video soundtrack doesn't interfere with audio in the new foreground tab, and the user doesn't miss any of the video in the meantime. There are some use cases that are helpful while using this code. Let's consider a few use cases for the Page Visibility API. A site has an image carousel that shouldn't advance to the next slide unless the user is viewing the page. An application showing a dashboard of information doesn't want to call the server for updates when the page isn't available. A page wants to detect when it is being pre-rendered so it keeps accurate count of page views. A site wants to switch off sounds when the device is standby mode. User pushes power button to turn screen off. So here is the code, the document model. Here we have a video. Here we have the main tag, and then we have the video element. So the video is being played directly from the Amazon server, mobile.mp4. And here is the script code in which we are checking whether the type of document hidden is undefined. If it undefined, then we are setting the visibility change variable to visibility change. Else, if it is undefined, we are setting it to visibility change, and otherwise we are checking it in again. So this is the whole source code. Let's visit the source code here, and now I'm going to demonstrate it to you in the browser. Okay, let's open it in Chrome. Okay, file. Okay, we open it, JavaScript, home, personal projects, JavaScript, and here we have Page Visibility API. Double click index.html. So here you can see that the video is playing. As soon as I control T and open a new tab, the video gets paused because I changed to the new tab. If I come back, the video starts to play again. So basically, once the focus is changed from current page to another page, the video stops running and it goes into the pause mode, and this is done here. If document hidden, video element dot pause, else video element dot play. Don't worry, you can download this whole source code from my GitHub repository. I am mentioning my GitHub repository link to this video code in that YouTube video description. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. You can reach me if you need any assistance. I'll be more than happy to reply back. Thank you very much.